Hi everyone, today I am going to give a review about a yoga block and a yoga mat that I purchased from Five Below. The yoga block was about $5. It's very light and slightly smaller than any of the other blocks that I have. This one is 9 by 3 by 6 inches, and using it on the floor in this way, I would not have an issue. I would get a little nervous because it is so light. If you set the bottom of the block here and had your hand up here, it's just light, so I don't know if it might tip over. That would be my concern. Next is the yoga mat. It is 6 millimeters, just the same as my yoga mat that I've been using for years. The only thing is this one isn't as grippy, and when I would put my hand or feet or any large area that would have weight on it, it would just flatten the mat out. The mat that I use all the time, it's the same thickness, but you don't totally feel the mat on the floor. Another thing that I was not impressed with, at my first usage, when I was in Warrior One, you can see where the heel and the foot were. The mat came apart. And I have not had that problem with the mat that I currently use, that I have had for about 2 years. That one I ordered off of Amazon, the same with the blocks. So I'm really, have to say I'm not impressed, even for $5 each, with the yoga mat and the yoga block that I purchased from Five Below. I feel like you could purchase another block and mat from another retailer, and it would probably last you a little longer than about a week. I hope this helps, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.